guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is the second day of our Chinese New Year. It's Year of the Pig. So wish everyone have a happy Chinese New Year. So today I got more of sparkly critters and cutie tooties because we really love this a lot. So we bought some of this. So now we're going to open this one first. So hopefully we got Chloe, because since Chloe really likes this one. So let me weight it first. Let's weight it. Okay. So this one weighted 302.4 grams. So last time we got nanners and we got both ultra rare, which is Poopsie Starlight and Rainbow Bright Star, and I found that these two are, I think they are most heaviest. So I hope we got Chloe, that Chloe really wants it. So there's a sign here, we can open it. Try to open this one. It's really hard to open when you have nails on. So on the first, once you open it, you get some unicorn magic here. And a spoon and a bottle and some checklists and guides over here. And also we got this one. Hopefully we got Chloe. So now we're going to open. So now we're going to open the spoon first, okay? Oh, it's also for Tito's. I think most of the package that you put slime on it, it's all on the same package. It's all Partitos or Pupitos. So next one we're going to open the bottle. Let's see who we got. Oh, it says Dr. Pooper. We got a red bottle. So, oh my god! Oh my god! Really?
Yeah, Chloe!
Chloe got it! Chloe! Oh my god! I think she'll be so happy she got it. Well, we just pick it randomly. So, oh, I can't wait to open this one. Chloe really loves it. Let me out of here. And yes! Wait, Chloe is here. And yes, she's so excited to get her. Wait, Chloe. And yes! We got Chloe here. Hi guys! Look, it's Chloe's favorite, and we finally got
this.
We want sugar.
I want this.
And we finally got Chloe her favorite. So Chloe is a rare. Chloe is a rare. So now I'm making a slime. I'm gonna take out the slime inside her mouth. So first I'm gonna add some water onto 20 ml, about this line. okay? And then we're gonna take out the pacifier. So as you shake, you can feel there's a slime powder inside her mouth. So take this pacifier out and inject all the water. So after that, you're gonna put back the pacifier and shake it for 1 minute. So now we take off again pacifier, and the guy said if you don't see her heart here, there's no hole in it, so it won't poop. The slime will came out on the mouth. Okay, let's check it. Oh, see guys, it's a blue one. So it's still watery, but we have to wait for around 15 to 20 minutes until to let it dry, and it will become a slime. So see you after 20 minutes. So now it's already done. The slime, it become a slime now, as you can see. Earlier it was all watery, right now it's already a slime. So now we're gonna put the unicorn magic. So every sparkly critters, they have this kind of package. So this package, what is the use for this package? You open, it's a resealable. You open it and you put the slime inside it, so the slime won't get dry. So
I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye.